Gopinath Bordoloi, first CM of Assam, Pratham Bharat Ratna. First Chief Minister of Assam was born in 1891. He actively participated in the freedom movement. He opposed the grouping of proposals which gained support from the Mahatma Gandhi, and Assam was saved from being part of Pakistan due to Bordoloi's opposition. So Bordoloi বিষয়ে আমি যেতিয়া আসাম পলিটি পঢ়িম we will see about him. ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া জাস্ট এটোৱে জানি লোৱা যে he is the first CM আৰু লগতে তেওঁ আমাৰ প্ৰথম ভাৰত ৰত্ন. He established the Guwahati University. কি establish কৰিছে? Guwahati University 1948, Guwahati High Court, Assam Medical College 47. What is it? Dibrugarh. Bordoloi known as the Lokopriya and was the first Assamese to receive the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award of the country. Year kita মনত ৰাখিবা Guwahati University 1948 কি contribution হয় প্ৰত্যেকজন CM ৰ আমি contribution খিনি চাম ঠিক আছে prelims ৰ কাৰণে বহুত important but আমাৰ Gopinath Bordoloi কি কৰিছে Guwahati University, Guwahati High Court আৰু লগতে আমাৰ যিখন মেডিকেল কলেজ আছে যিখন আছে আমাৰ কিহত ডিব্ৰুগড়ত